What's up guys, this is TampaTec and we're going to show you how to change out the brakes on a Kia, and this is a 2010 Kia. I think this is a 14 millimeter wrench, and there's a bolt here and a bolt down here, and when you loosen it up you're behind the bolt, so usually lefty-loosey, right? But in this case it's actually this way. You have to go this way, and then you have to use a hammer and then make it loose. Bang it up like that because it might be rusty. And so as you can see, he's removing it. So you want to remove those two bolts. And then you might need a pry tool. There you go. Let's see how low your brakes are. Make sure you don't hang that off the cable. And then go ahead and pry tool, flathead. Knock those out. Pretty low, not too bad. Rotors feel smooth for the most part. Yeah, not too bad. So it looks like the rotors are decent. Remove those clips. And we're gonna put brand new clips on, and we're gonna grease up right here and grease up right here. And then we're gonna put a little bit of grease right here around that rim, and then right here. So these are the brakes that we're using today. Duralast Gold ceramic brake pads. And so we already did one side, we're gonna do the other side. And then these, basically we're gonna put some grease right here, and then we're gonna sit these in like that. But we have to put the grease on. Yep. And do the other side in the back. Don't put the grease on the rotor, of course. All right. Yeah, I heard it clip in. All right, and then we'll put a little bit of grease right there on in that little slot area. Try not to get any on the brake pad itself. Here you go. Got it? Oh, that one went pretty easy actually. All right, now put it on. There you go. Let's check it out. Looks pretty good. Set it up in there, and then top. There you go. Now knock it in. Almost. Not got it. You got it. It looks good. So now you're going to take the old brake pad and then set it up in this caliber and use a C-clamp to, compress that so it slips back on. Make sure you have a big enough C-clamp. Gonna take some force.
Do my brakes myself or have someone else do them and not?
My son got his brakes quoted at 500 because they told him that he had to do the rotors too, which he didn't really have to. They always get you with that. Hey, you gotta do the rotors, and they usually don't. Let's see, this is fine. There you go. You almost got it. Perfect. And then you have to line up the bolts. I hold it in place while you put the bolts in on the top and bottom. Got it? Yep, that's it. Okay, screw it on. The other way. Up a little bit, right there. Get a little bit. Yeah. That should be good. Double check that and do the bottom one, and we're done. Hopefully this video helps you out. If you did, give me a thumbs up and share this video to anyone that needs to change out their brakes. But safety, of course, we have that jack right there lifted up in the middle, as you can see right there on the frame. You don't want to put it on the bumper for obvious reasons. And then right here we have these for, as safety in case it drops, it doesn't slam. And then back here, you want to make sure you have something to wedges behind the tires, so in case it rolls, and put your emergency brakes on. Thanks for watching.
Goes off.